Feeling stuck? Overwhelmed? What if I told you the most powerful tool of transformation is already at your fingertips? Today I'm sharing 7 game-changing journaling techniques that took me from scattered to structured, from anxious to aligned. Let's get started. Our first technique is the life snapshot. Think of it like a mini time capsule capturing a quick view of your week, and it only takes about 3 minutes every Sunday. Take a moment to jot down what's on your mind, how you're feeling, any challenges, and your goals for the week. Over time, these snapshots build up, letting you look back and see just how much you've grown. Here's how it could look. Sunday, excited to launch my side project. Challenge, juggling work and gym time. Weekly intention, meditate for 10 minutes each morning. This quick check-in actually helped me realize that I was most creative on Tuesday mornings, so I restructured my whole week around it to make the most of my high energy times. Pause the video and try this yourself. Jot down your biggest goal for this month as part of your life snapshot. Next up is the Future Self Letter, a powerful tool to connect who you are now with who you want to become. Every 3 months, spend 15 minutes writing a letter to your future self. Imagine the excitement of reading it a year later and seeing all the progress you've made. A great way to begin is by saying, "Dear future me, by the time you read this, I hope." You might include what you're working on, where you want to be, or even what you're struggling with now. When you read it in the future, it's like you're reconnecting with the dreams and hopes you had back then. Try writing one sentence about how you want to feel tomorrow. It's a simple exercise that creates a bridge between today and the person you're becoming. Let's talk about the wins and lessons tracker. This one is all about celebrating progress and learning from experience. Each day, take 2 minutes to jot down one win and one lesson from your day. The win could be anything from a big success at work to a small step you took toward a personal goal. Your win could be wrapped up a project early, or even tried a new recipe that I loved. For lessons, you might write, realized how much speaking up in meetings helps my confidence, or noticed how taking breaks boosts my focus. These daily reflections give you a clear picture of what's working in your life. Pause here and try writing down one win and one lesson from today. Reflecting on the little things each day can build up to big changes over time. Mood mapping is an easy way to track how things affect your feelings day to day. Just spend a minute each day writing down your mood and a quick note on why you felt that way. Over time, you'll start to notice patterns in what lifts you up and what might be bringing you down. Here's an example. Mood, energized. Reason, did a quick workout this morning. This technique has shown me that doing something active first thing in the morning sets a positive tone for my entire day. If you're not sure where to start, try assigning colors to different moods. Maybe blue for calm, yellow for happy, red for frustrated. It makes mood tracking creative and fun. This next technique is about bringing together gratitude and goals. At the end of each day, write down one thing you're grateful for and a small goal you want to achieve tomorrow. Pairing gratitude with goals keeps you grounded while giving you something to look forward to. For example, today I'm grateful for the support of friends. And my goal for tomorrow is to take 15 minutes for a morning walk. This combination lets you acknowledge the good in your life and keep moving forward. Try it out tonight and see how it shifts your mindset. Gratitude keeps you focused on the positive, and the goal adds purpose to your day. Sometimes the hardest part of journaling is figuring out what to write. That's where the question of the day page comes in handy. Each day, choose a question to answer, something that sparks reflection and curiosity. For instance, you could ask, "What made me happiest today?" Or, "What's something I'd like to improve tomorrow?" Questions like these keep your journaling fresh, and you may find they reveal insights you haven't considered. Let's try this together. Pause here and write down a question you'd like to answer tomorrow. This will add a little spark to your journaling routine. To wrap things up, let's talk about the end of week reflection. At the end of each week, take 5 minutes to look back. What went well? What challenged you? How did you feel about the week overall? This reflection gives you a chance to learn from the week and reset for the days ahead. Remember the life snapshot we talked about? Use this reflection to compare where you started and where you're headed. Over time, it'll show you just how much progress you're making. If you find it hard to make time for this, try pairing it with another routine, like your Sunday coffee. Just a few minutes can make a big difference. Transform your journaling practice today with these 3 steps. Number 1, choose your start. Pick the technique that resonated most. Number 2, set your reminder. Schedule a time to journal tomorrow. Number 3, share your journey. Join our community by sharing with the hashtag #JournalBreakthrough and tag me so I can send you some personalized journaling tips. Remember, every journaling journey starts with that first word. Your transformation begins the moment you pick up your pen. I can't wait to hear about the insights you're discovering, so drop a comment below with the technique you're excited to try first. Let's inspire each other. If you found these techniques helpful, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might need a boost. Don't forget to check out more videos to keep your journaling journey going strong. See you in the next one.